Hey, what's up everybody? Duff Goldman here for Sun-Maid, and today we are gonna make a curried shrimp salad with raisins two ways. We're gonna make some pepita clusters that are gonna have some raisins in them. We are also gonna rehydrate some raisins in mirin and rice wine vinegar. And that's gonna give this salad a really incredible flavor. All right, so let's start with the pepita clusters. Sugar, sesame seeds. Pepitas are pumpkin seeds that are shelled. Salt, paprika, here's some raisins, a little bit of maple syrup, half of an egg white here. So I'm gonna mix all this really good. I got a sheet tray here that's covered in parchment paper. I'm gonna take little handfuls. You want to keep these like pretty small. Remember, these are basically croutons for a shrimp salad. Okay, now these are gonna go into the oven at 300 degrees for about 12 to 15 minutes. You want these to be browned, but not burnt. Okay, now we're gonna do the dressing for the shrimp salad. So I am gonna start with some fresh basil and mint. I'm gonna put all these herbs into my bowl. 2 tablespoons of curry powder, some sugar, some salt, some Dijon mustard, mayonnaise, fresh pepper. I'm gonna put the zest and the juice of this lemon. Now I'm gonna whisk all this together. Okay, now what we're gonna do is make the mirin plumped raisins. So I have some Japanese mirin. I also put in some rice wine vinegar. Now I'm gonna turn this on, and I'm gonna thin this out with a little bit of water. I'm gonna add the raisins, then just very gently heat everything up together. I'm gonna dump everything into a bowl. I'm gonna cover it with a towel. I'm gonna let this sit for about a half an hour. Okay, we have everything we need to make a delicious shrimp salad. I am going to take 2 ribs of celery that I have diced. This is 1/2 of a red onion. Now, here are the mirin soaked raisins. Now I'm gonna add the shrimp. Get everything coated with that good dressing. So I got some butter lettuce here and just a little bit of lemon juice, pinch of salt, a little pepper, a little bit of olive oil. All right, we'll just kind of toss that together. Now, take this bowl. So now here's my salad. Scoop out shrimpers. And then right in the middle. This smells so good. And then, pepita clusters. Look how good. Raisins, sesame seeds, the pepitas. Pile on a couple of these. That is a beautiful springtime shrimp salad. I can't wait to eat this. It's so good. It pulls you in so many directions. Like, you're kind of getting like this little bit of acidity from the dressing and the shrimp. But then you get the sweetness from the pepita clusters. Pepita clusters are also really crunchy. But then in the salad itself, not only are you getting the shrimp, but you're getting the rehydrated raisins, which have such a beautiful, velvety, soft, tender texture. This salad is really good. I promise you're gonna like this.